chickies in my pen, they'll tell you I'm the biggest mother, and I love them all and all of them love me, because the system works, the system called reciprocity. Yeah. Got a little motto, always sees me through. When you're good to mama, mama's good to you. There's a lot of favors I'm prepared to do. You do one for mama, she'll do one for you. They say that life is tit for tat, and that's the way I live. I deserve a lot of tat for what I've got to give. Don't you know that this hand washes that one too? When you're good to mama, mama's good to you. If you want my gravy, pepper my ragu, spice it up for mama, she'll get hot for you. When they pass that basket, folks, you do one for mama, she'll do one for you. Folks atop the ladder are the ones who adores. So boost me up, my ladder kid, and I'll boost you up yours. Oops. Let's stroke together like the princely crew. When you're stroking mama, mama's stroking you. So what's the one conclusion I can bring this number to? When you're good to mama,